Andong, a city in South Korea's Gyeongsangbuk-do province, is renowned for its rich culinary heritage. It is here that Jjimdak, a braised chicken dish, originated in the late 20th century. The dish was born from the region's tradition of using fresh, local ingredients like free-range chicken, soy sauce, and seasonal vegetables. Andong's unique food culture, influenced by Confucian traditions, emphasized communal dining and balanced flavors, which laid the foundation for Jjimdak's development. The city's rustic kitchens and traditional cooking methods played a pivotal role in shaping this beloved dish. In its early days, Jjimdak was a popular street food sold in Andong's bustling markets. Vendors served the dish from wooden carts, using large pots to braise chicken with soy sauce, garlic, and vegetables. The affordable and hearty meal quickly became a favorite among locals and travelers. The communal aspect of sharing a large plate of Jjimdak reflected Korea's dining culture. By the 1980s, these street stalls were the heart of Andong's food scene, offering a taste of home-cooked comfort to everyone. By the 1980s, Jjimdak's popularity surged beyond Andong, attracting food enthusiasts from neighboring regions. Local restaurants began specializing in the dish, each adding their unique twist. The demand grew so high that Jjimdak became synonymous with Andong's identity. Families and friends gathered to enjoy large servings, often paired with glass noodles and spicy sauces. This era marked the dish's transition from a humble street food to a regional specialty, setting the stage for its nationwide expansion. The key to Jjimdak's distinct flavor lies in its sauce, a blend of soy sauce, sugar, garlic, and spices. During the 1980s, chefs in Andong perfected this recipe, balancing sweetness and umami. The addition of glass noodles, dangmyeon, absorbed the rich flavors, making the dish even more satisfying. This standardization allowed Jjimdak to maintain its authenticity while adapting to modern tastes. Today, the sauce remains the soul of the dish, a testament to Andong's culinary innovation. In the 1990s, Jjimdak's popularity exploded across South Korea, thanks to franchised restaurants. Chains like Andong Jjimdak brought the dish to urban centers, introducing it to a broader audience. The franchises modernized the presentation, but kept the traditional flavors intact. This era saw Jjimdak becoming a staple in Korean comfort food, enjoyed by people of all ages. The dish's versatility and affordability made it a nationwide favorite, solidifying its place in Korean cuisine. As Korean culture gained global traction in the early 2000s, Jjimdak began appearing in Korean restaurants worldwide. The diaspora introduced the dish to new audiences who embraced its hearty flavors. Cities like Los Angeles, New York, and Tokyo saw Jjimdak on menus, often adapted to local tastes. This period marked the dish's first steps toward international recognition, showcasing Korea's culinary influence beyond its borders. The rise of social media in the 2010s propelled Jjimdak to viral fame. Food bloggers and YouTubers featured the dish in mukbangs, eating shows, and recipe tutorials. Hashtags like Jjimdak Challenge trended, attracting millions of views. Platforms like Instagram showcased its vibrant colors and textures, making it a visual favorite. This digital exposure introduced Jjimdak to a younger, global audience, cementing its status as a modern Korean classic. Today, chefs worldwide experiment with Jjimdak, creating fusion versions like spicy cheese Jjimdak or vegan alternatives. These innovations cater to diverse dietary preferences while retaining the dish's core flavors. Gourmet restaurants have elevated Jjimdak with premium ingredients, such as organic chicken and artisanal sauces. This adaptability ensures Jjimdak remains relevant in ever-evolving food trends, appealing to both traditionalists and adventurers. In recent years, Jjimdak has entered the fine dining scene, earning mentions in the Michelin Guide. Upscale Korean restaurants feature the dish with refined techniques and premium ingredients. Chefs highlight its cultural significance while presenting it as a gourmet experience. This recognition marks Jjimdak's journey from comfort food to culinary artistry, showcasing its versatility and timeless appeal. Today, Jjimdak is a global staple, enjoyed from Seoul to New York. It appears in food festivals, supermarkets, and home kitchens worldwide. The The dish's journey from Andong streets to international fame reflects Korea's culinary influence. Whether served traditionally or with modern twists, Jjimdak continues to bring people together, celebrating shared flavors and cultural heritage.